In this video, you will learn how to make the most popular hair gel of our time. You'll understand why at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lahari and this video is all about flaxseed gel. Let's get started. Use a frying pan to make this gel. Add 2 glasses of water into the pan. Add a cup of flax seeds. Cook the flax seeds on a high flame. Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B, E, and magnesium. It helps improve the condition of your hair. Flaxseed gel repairs brittle hair follicles. It binds them together, making hair healthy and shiny looking. When you start to see the white gel forming, lower the temperature to a medium heat. Flax seeds reduce scalp inflammation. It blocks the conversion of linoleic acid, an inflammatory element. It also improves blood circulation in the scalp, promoting scalp health. Once you see the liquid start to bubble as shown in the video, check the consistency of the gel. Use a spoon or a ladle to check if the liquid is too thin or thick. The nutrients like magnesium, manganese, vitamin E, etc. help reduce free radical damage. This prevents aging and graying of hair, hair loss, and hair thinning. Once you've got a thick gel consistency, turn off the flame and let the gel cool down to room temperature. Take a clean bowl and a cheesecloth. Place the cheesecloth over the bowl and pour in the gel. Flaxseed gel helps hair grow faster and longer since it's packed with nutrients that nourish your scalp and hair. Squeeze out the gel from the seeds in the cloth and repeat this step. Section your hair and apply this gel from root to tip. You can choose to let it sit for half an hour or overnight. Wash it off with a herbal shampoo. Enjoy shiny, smooth, healthy hair. That was about flaxseed gel. Do like, share, and subscribe.